What if one country held over 17,000 islands, more than 700 languages, rainforests older than the Amazon, and volcanoes that shake the earth awake? Welcome to Indonesia, a nation unlike any other. From dragons that walk like dinosaurs to floating villages above coral reefs, this is a land where nature, mystery, and culture collide. This is the incredible story of Indonesia. Indonesia is the world's largest archipelago. Over 17,000 islands scattered between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Only about 6,000 are inhabited. The four biggest, Java, Sumatra, Borneo, and Sulawesi, hold most of the population, but some of the smallest are the most untouched by time. This is a country where ancient forests meet futuristic cities. It's the fourth most populous nation on Earth, with over 270 million people. And yet, no two regions are exactly alike. Indonesia sits on the Ring of Fire, the most volcanically active zone on Earth. It has over 130 active volcanoes, including Mount Merapi, one of the most explosive on the planet. But volcanoes aren't the only thing burning with life here. Indonesia is home to the Komodo dragon, a prehistoric predator that can grow over 10 feet long. These reptiles live on just a few isolated islands and nowhere else on Earth, and beneath the jungle canopy of places like Sumatra and Borneo. Endangered orangutans swing through ancient trees, while rare species like the Javan rhino hide in the shadows. Indonesia's history is as deep as its forests. The island of Java is home to Borobudur, the largest Buddhist temple in the world, built over 1,200 years ago, without modern tools. Nearby lies Prambanan, a towering Hindu temple complex from the 9th century. These sacred sites show how Indonesia was once a melting pot of Buddhism, Hinduism, and local beliefs, long before Islam became the dominant faith. And then there's the mystery of Gunung Padang, a possible ancient pyramid site older than the Egyptian pyramids, still being explored by scientists. Indonesia isn't one people, it's hundreds. Over 700 languages are spoken here. From the streets of Jakarta to the mountain villages of Papua, the national motto is Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, unity in diversity. Each island has its own dress, dance, music, and mythology. Indonesia is one of the most resource-rich countries in the world. It has gold, coal, and natural gas, but its true treasures lie in its biodiversity. The coral reefs of Raja Ampat are considered the richest marine ecosystem on Earth. Over 3,000 fish species swim beneath its turquoise waters, more than anywhere else. Indonesia is also one of the top coffee and spice producers in the world. Exports that once brought Portuguese, Dutch, and British ships to its shores. Indonesia faces enormous challenges: deforestation, rising sea levels, and inequality between rural islands and major cities. Jakarta, the current capital, is sinking, leading the government to build a new capital city called Nusantara on the island of Borneo. But amid struggle, hope grows. Indonesian youth are driving a wave of tech innovation, ecotourism, and sustainable farming. Indigenous communities are fighting to protect their forests, and traditional wisdom is blending with modern resilience. Indonesia is not just a country, it's an entire world of its own, a place where dragons breathe, temples touch the clouds, and culture flows like the rivers through its jungle. It is ancient, alive, and always changing. This is Indonesia, a nation of islands, a land of legends, a future full of possibility.